What's up? Mark from Straight to You Tech, and I had a subscriber make a request, and they want to do a bass test on my Sony MDR-XB950N1 Bluetooth headphones. And I did a review on these already, so I'm going to do a bass test on them. So I got them connected to my phone, so I'm going to set these down for a second, and I'm using this app right here. And I use this for my car stereo stuff, but that's irrelevant right now. And yeah, you can do tests on headphones and subwoofers. You can do frequency tests and stuff like that. So we're going to go through that. It's kind of a live video here, so it's right on the fly. No edits here. So we're going to go through a couple things here. I guess we'll start out with the headphone test. So like I said, it's already connected. Let's go to the headphone test. Let's go back to something else. Let's go to the subwoofer test because I want to do some frequency tests here. So these icons right here are going to be a couple of bass songs, whatever. I think it's 6 of them. Then you got kind of sweeps for sound. So we got from 20 hertz down to 1 hertz, and 1 hertz pretty low. So I think we should start with that one. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the headphones here, I'm going to be putting them up to my Blue Yeti microphone, and we're going to run a test. So I'm going to do the 20 hertz first, and I'm going to hold them up, and you might hear some bumping, so just bear with me. The best way to hear this bass test, by the way, the subscriber will ask, and I'll put the subscriber's name and his question or his request on the screen right here. Okay, it should be showing up, and okay. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do this. Like I said, I'm gonna do this sweep. So we'll start out with the you know what, I kind of messed up. I want to do the 100 hertz. Since we're dealing with bass here, we're gonna do the 100 hertz, the low one right there, the 100 hertz to 1 hertz. Okay, so here we go. Let's put them on my ready to hear it. Alright, here we go. Alright, I think it's done. So hope you heard that. It's pretty deep bass. I mean, I gotta try it on. Hold on, just bear with me. I gotta try it on with my head. I'm gonna put it on my ears, see what they sound like. I never heard that test before. I mean, really, this is the first time I did it with these headphones. I'm always doing it in my car with my subwoofers, but I want to hear how they sound in my ear. So hold on, see how they sound here. Gonna do the same sweep. By the way, while we're looking here, we're gonna go into the Sony headphones app, and looks like it's got an update, but I'm not gonna do that. And you can see where my bass is set here. I don't know if I can't really get it because it's a white background, but yeah, I got my bass pretty much set all the way up. It's on level 5. So let's go back to that sweep. I want to hear this sweep for myself. Go back. Go here. Whew. Oh. Okay. That is too much for my ears. Damn. Oh my God, oh my God. These damn headphones got so much bass. Alright, these got so much bass. It's ridiculous. I couldn't even go through the whole test. It was just too much. I mean, I got the volume pretty much at about 80%. So, done with that one. Good bass. Good bass. Loving them. Alright. We've got a couple of bass songs here on this app, so let's try one. Let's try, I don't know. It doesn't have any names or anything, so let's go with one of them. Alright, that just sounds corny. Let's go with another one. Alright. Check that out. Alright, I got enough bass. Let me hear what that sounds like. I'm going to put these on my ears real quick. Let me see. That's crazy. These are the truth when it comes to the bass. Damn, I can't believe it. Love these. That's what I'm saying. Oh man, I thought somebody asked me in the comments. It could be wrong, but somebody asked if I would sell them or give them away or something like that, and I was like, hell no, I can't do it. Can't do it. All right, I got another song here. Let me see what this one is here. That sounds kind of cool. Listen to this one. Check this one. I like that. So if I put them on my ears again, I've got to check this song out myself. I'm so... Alright, let me stop that. I'm so serious. These damn things that get ready, they jump off my ears with so much damn bass. It's crazy. Alright, subscriber. Can't remember your name right offhand. Like I said, I put it up on the screen. I thank you for being a subscriber, and all the rest of my subscribers, I thank you for subscribing. And we did go over the 100 mark, so I'm very grateful. Gonna be coming out more videos as I get more products. You know, I'm just a small channel. You know, I'm not doing very much, but I'm trying. But yeah, glad to do this video. Hope that's enough bass for you. And anybody want to pick these up, they're at Best Buy. I'll give you the model number again. It is MDR-XB950N1. These are noise canceling headphones. They do a great job. I've been on the airplane with them, been walking with them, stuff like that, been in loud environments like stores and Starbucks and all that kind of stuff, and they are really good at canceling noise, all kinds of stuff like that. Plus the bass is incredible, like we just saw. So hit me up in the comments. We'll start a discussion about these. Got any more requests or anything for any of my past videos and things like that? Go ahead and give me a shout out and let me know what you want to see. Alright, it's been Mark from Straight to You Tech, and I'm out.